It's Lash Lift and Tint Day at home. This is how to do it like a pro. I use this set from Amazon. I'm going to give you every little tip and trick so that this is seamless for you. This is what's in the kit, and I have just the stuff out that I use all the time. First, we're going to talk about the little lash lift pads because this is the most important part, dare I say. The thicker the pad is, the less curl you're going to get. Your lashes don't have to move very much to stick onto that. The flatter, the more curlier your lashes are going to have to go all the way back up onto that. Disclaimer, I'm going to be using medium size. Before looking at myself, before looking at the camera. Side, can you see? Side. Okay. This kit comes with adhesive tape. This adhesive tape is about to be your best friend. I'll first map out how much tape I'm going to use, and I will put the tape first onto my eyelid. And my reasoning for this is because I don't like the glue actually on my eyelid. Second important tip, curl your lashes first. It's going to help them stick to the pad. They're already going to be curly. Curl, curl, curl. Now you're going to place your glue on the back of the pad. Good amount, okay? Good amount. Get it tacky and stick it on. So, hold it down for like a minute. Really make sure you're holding down the corners like this. If it's not staying down on either side, you're going to tape it on. I always just put some tape at the top anyway, just to help make sure it stays on throughout the entire process and doesn't start lifting on me. So I'll tape it down there. Uh-oh. And over here. Tape it down. Boom. I am psycho and do both eyes at the same time. So now you're going to put your glue on the pad and stick your lashes up onto the pad. This is the little tool, these edges you're going to use to comb your lashes up. Do this part very slow and meticulous. This is like the most important part. First eye done. Boom. It's a jump scare, I know. We're going to liberally apply this. This is the first step, the perm solution, and you're going to put down here. Don't get it in your eye and don't put it at the top. The top's what's going to be holding our lashes down the whole time. I just sort of twist and tap it on right here. It's thick. It shouldn't run into your eye. You should be okay. Like that. If you don't know what perm solution smells like, I'm just going to warn you now. It does smell sort of like rotten eggs, and you're not doing anything wrong. It's not expired. It's just how it's going to smell. We leave this on for 10 to 12 minutes. I do 12. All right, so same thing. I'm going to just wipe this off very carefully with a Q-tip. Just do little swirls, and then I'm going in with number 2, fixation, same situation. This is what it looks like. So I'm wiping off that now, and I'm going to put my tint on. This kit does not come with a tint. I'm not going to tell you what mine is because mine's actually not meant for lashes. Get a lash tint. I'm letting this sit, and I will show you how to take these off and the after. So I'm using the cleanser, and you're going to just sort of wiggle free the tops of the lashes where the glue is. Last but not least, before we remove them, is go ahead and apply the nutrition oil onto the lashes. And you're going to keep these dry for the first 24 hours at least. I just use a Q-tip with oil on it to go behind the eye to loosen that tape. And the pad. Like that. This is the finished look. You can't tell me they don't look so good. So this is before. Looking at you. Side. Side. Tag me if you try it. Let me know what you think. This specific kit I have on Amazon linked for you. Love ya!